A dozen kid bakers are taking on a new challenge on the hit show Kids Baking Championship. Henry, who is from Bountiful, Utah, competed on the first episode of the new season, and he is here to tell us all about it. Henry, welcome to the show.
Thank you for inviting me.
I'm so excited to talk to you because I think baking is so cool, and the fact that you did this on a TV show, you're like one of the coolest kids I know. Talk to us about the new show. What's it about?
So it's basically there's 12 kid bakers from around the country that are competing for $25,000 in the spot in the Food Network magazine.
That is absolutely amazing. Why did you want to be on the show? Because it seems kind of scary. What made you want to be on it?
So I really enjoyed baking, and I thought, I never heard of the show, but we got like an email about it, and I was like, that sounds fun. So I just decided that I'd try out, and yeah.
There you go. Everyone should be more like Henry. Just go for it. How long have you been baking for?
So I always helped my mom when I was younger, but I probably really started to bake when I was like 9 or 10.
Wow, and how old are you now?
I'm 13.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm sure you're a better baker than I am, but what is your most favorite thing to bake ever?
So I really like to make cream puffs because they're like really good, but then they're hard to make.
Yeah,
But I did my science fair project on cream puffs last year.
Really? So
Yeah.
you were mixing science and baking, and cream puffs are hard because don't you use a pat a choux? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
See, I know some stuff. Okay. What was your experience like filming the show?
It's really stressful because it's like happens pretty quick. So you're trying out and then you're there and then there's like cameras everywhere filming you.
Kind of like right now. But you're a pro now, so cameras don't scare you anymore. What was something that surprised you about filming this show?
Something that surprised me is that they literally have like everything there. There's like also like a lot of cameras because everyone has like a camera that's always on them plus a bunch for like other people.
Really? That sounds really exciting and also, you know, a little scary. What if there was another competition show? Would you want to go on it, or are you like, you know what, I'm good, I'm done, or would you do it again?
I would do it again because it's like a good experience and it's really fun.
I love it. What was your most favorite thing about being on the show?
My favorite thing about being on the show is probably just baking because I just love baking and it's pretty fun to just bake in front of a camera, although it's stressful.
I can't imagine. I get stressed when I'm in the kitchen baking by myself. Is there something that you don't know how to bake yet, but you really want to learn?
Not that I can think of.
Because you know how to bake everything?
No, well.
What about a souffle? Can you make a souffle? Because those seem really hard.
What's a souffle?
It's just a fancy cake. So maybe we'll do that. Well, Henry, we'll talk more about the souffle later. I would love for you to bake for me. Henry, it's been so great having you on the show. Thank you.